Why is it easier to watch videos about success than to chase it? Why does your phone feel more addictive than your dreams? I didn't need motivation. I needed to break free. This video isn't for your attention span. It's for your future. I used to scroll until 3 a.m., watch self-help videos, take screenshots of morning routines, set goals I'd forget in 3 days. I wasn't lazy. I was drowning in dopamine. Every time I tried to focus, my brain whispered, "Just one more reel." And I listened, until one day, I didn't. I did a 72-hour dopamine reset. No music, no sugar, no notifications. I stared at a wall for 20 minutes a day. I felt insane, and then I felt clear. On day 3, I picked up a book I'd been avoiding, and couldn't put it down. I did 100 push-ups without thinking. I cleaned my room without forcing myself. Work became rewarding. Here's the truth they don't tell you. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to the dopamine it gives you. But your brain can heal. Dopamine isn't evil, it's fuel. And when you stop flooding it with trash, you start craving meaningful pain. After my detox, I started chasing hard things. You don't need another productivity app. You need a dopamine reset. One day, no distractions, just you and silence. Stare at the wall. Go for a walk. Write something. Build something. This isn't a hack. This is war. Reclaim your focus, or stay a slave to your cravings. There's a version of you out there. He doesn't scroll. He builds. He trains. He executes. He's not perfect, but he's free. And he's waiting.